Have you ever seen an exploded battery? I've seen them boiling. I've seen them up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, but I've never seen one that has actually exploded. I'm here in Palm Beach, Florida, looking at this Group 27 battery. You can see the negative terminal there, and you can see where the positive terminal used to be. And you can see the lead plates down there in the bottom. There's the top laying over there. And even though it's a cool 70 degrees outside, you can see the acid is still percolating inside of those different chambers. This used to be a 12-volt battery, and something happened. I don't know the story, but you can see where it actually blew the top off. If you've got questions about batteries, battery charging, generators, or do-it-yourself maintenance on your own boat, please join us in Vero Beach for boat maintenance classes, Introduction to Boat Systems. If you have any other questions, ask Captain Chris.